what's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know how many of you watched the other video with the voiceover, but voiceover just feels weird to me. I feel like more comfortable talking to the camera in real time. So watch here, there is Steven looking for his missing bolt. That guy there is looking for his missing boat. So basically we are in Cape Coast here, and we are here for the skating event and also for the local festivities and stuff like that. And a bunch of the boys, there is over 100 skaters here, and a bunch of them already left, but then this guy here is missing a boat. So we are taking it slow on the way, and also I'm just chilling, trying to come up with excuses as to why I'm not able to do a voiceover video. But then, like, for real, the voiceover sounds like just off to me, so I prefer speaking to the camera in real time. Yeah, just enjoy a little bit of skating. Let me show you around, and then we can go back to reasons why I don't want to do a voiceover. Let me show you a better view. And it's nice. I told you. I think you should know that by now. Okay, so let's go. So I don't think I'm even going to edit this video or cut anything else. Like, I just feel really comfortable with it because I don't know, but the voiceover video usually doesn't sound well to me. The other video, because my friend has a drum pilot shot it, so I mean, I thought it was cool. I just wanted to have it on my channel because it was all pure skating content. So yeah, I think that's the only reason I did a voiceover video, because I just couldn't post it alone. Hello. I'm definitely going to turn the camera towards that angle. So I just decided to have it on my channel, do a voiceover. I've tried to do a voiceover several times, but then, like I said, it just doesn't sound right in my head. So that's why I don't do it. So I would try to like be able to do more real-time talking like I'm doing now. And I think that would be great, making the videos look more like a vlogging style thing. Yeah, I think because I'm more comfortable like that, then I don't have to cut on it. So yeah. This guy is missing a boat. We are not looking for his boat anymore. Because I mean, who's gonna find a boat? We've been skating like hours and hours today, and we don't even know where it fell off us. So there's no need in even looking. We just need to figure out where to find a new one. And there is again. Myself, I've not even run one. Hello, my friend. How much time am I supposed to come with y'all? Let's see. Boys, I'm with this serious. Hey! Yeah, guys, let's enjoy the view. So we go use some of the front, we use some of the back, some of the side, whatever. That's a sweet view. Woo!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,